Google Gemini AI voice while photo editing. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Play Store application on your device and search for Google Gemini just to make sure you have an updated version. As you can see on the screen, there is no option of update, which means we have the latest version of Google Gemini. So simply tap on open and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now as you're logged into your account, what you simply need to do is tap on the plus icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Here select on the gallery option and simply select a picture of a guy over here. Then tap on add and here simply paste the prompt. So I have written a particular prompt over here. So you can simply tap on send and it will now start creating the AI image over here. So make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and if you do not have a stable Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to cellular data as well. So let's wait for a while until it loads and give us the AI picture. So make sure that the picture shows the clear face so that it generates the image very much like the picture that I have attached. So there you go. That's the AI generated image. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.